Hello students, Standard 9th, Sanskrit, Chapter number 10. Dovarikasya Seva Nishtah. Dovarikasya, it means Dwarpad, who look after that particular place. We called him guard also. Seva Nishtah, it means his judgment, his goodness, his dutiful. Born in Rajasthan, Pandit Ambika Dutt Vyas, who made Varanasi his home after being educated here. There, Pandit Ambika Dutt was born in Varanasi, it means in Kashi, getting his education also in Kashi, and occupied a special place among the modern Sanskrit writer. He is well known for his modern work, Sivraj Vijaya. His modern work is known as the Sivraj Vijaya. The style of this Sanskrit novel is easy as well as serious. The flow of the narrative is smooth and holds the attention of the reader. The novel deals with many of the heroic adventures of Chhatrapati Shivaji. Also included the saga of in many political victories. Political victories, it means time to time victory. The person get victory in particular era, in particular decade, in particular time. It is called the political victory. There were many factors responsible for these victories. Of special importance is the fact that even the lowest of his servant was honest, focused and faithful to his master. How convenient it is. A person who is very faithful to his duty rarely can be seen in today's era. You can show that. The present expert proves this point. A guard who is performing an ordinary job, a guard job is called an ordinary job in even today's days, who perform his duty with very loyalty, with faithfully, it is a very good thing. Being attracted on a greed, temptation or avarice, this guard is an ideal even today. The aim of this lesson is that along with a sense of service, honesty should be installed in student. The aim of this lesson is that the students also being honest, to get the moral value that they become honest with their work, they become honest in their life. Attention should be paid to the formation of the past participle and the concord of the verb in the present tense based on the verbs used in this lesson. You should also learn the correct use of person. Ikada Dovarikah Bhavya Murti Sannyasinam Apashyata. Ikada, it means once time. Dovarikasya, Dovarikah, it means the Dwarpad or a guard. Bhavya Murti Sannyasim, a great saint, he saw. One time or one day, a guard saw a very great saint on his door. Tatah tayo ha ivam vartalapah abhavata. After that, they talked with each other. They conversation with each other. Sannyasihi katham ashmana sannyasinah api tiraskar karoshi. Sannyasi said to guard that, why are you hate the sannyasi? Why are you hating the sannyasi? You should not hate the sannyasi. You should respect them. In fact, you are hating them. Why? Dovarikah Bhagwan Pranamami. Guard said, I bowed to your feet, but Shvakyam Parichayam Adatva na kaschita praveshtantu aharti. But Shvakyam, I cannot give permission to enter without their introduction If I don't know you, then I cannot give you entry to enter the gate. Sannyasi, Satyam, you are true. Stantah, ayam te apradhah. Then I will forgive you. I forgive your fault. Kintu adya prabhuti tvam sannyasiनः पंडितानः ब्रह्मचारिणः स्त्रियः बालाः च न अवरोधुं शक्योसि. But you cannot refuse to sannyasi, pandit, it means scholar, brahmacharina, it means brahmachari, striya, womanah, balah, children. You should not stop them, you should not refuse to enter in the night to sannyasi, scholar, brahmachari, women and children. You cannot stop them. Dovarikah, sannyasi, bahumuktakam, sannyasi, viram. Listen. Vayam dovarikah brahmanah api agnam na pratikshamhe. We guard cannot refuse our order. You should wait here till the order come. Till our king called you, you should wait here. We cannot enter you without his permission. Sannyasi, sadhu, margam adeshaya. Good. Please give my way. Maharaj nikate gantum ichhami. I want to go to Maharaj. I want to go there. I want to meet the king. Dovarikah, na shakyam. It is not possible. Prabhate, Maharajasya sandho yo pashan kale pravesham kartamu aharsi natu ratro. Na shakyam. It is not possible. Prabhate, it means in the morning. Maharajasya, you can meet Maharaj, you can meet our king. Sandhyopashakale pravesham kartum aharsi. It is prohibited to give enter into evening. We cannot give you entry into the evening. You can meet our king in the morning. Natu ratro, not in the night. Sannyasi, kim kopi ratro no pravishyanti. Why I should not enter in the night? Dovarikah, ahutana परिचितान च परिज्यत्य no कोऽपि. Nobody except those who are invited are work none, no parijyanti. It means who we cannot recognize them, we cannot get them, they cannot enter. विशेषन्तु भवतस्या ये खलुः तुम्बिधारकाः द्वारत द्वारं प्रवित्यन्ति. Person like you, विशेषन्तु भवदशाः, it means persons like you who indeed carry a guard go from door to door. We cannot give you entry because you carry the things with door to door, and that's why you cannot enter into the door at night. Dwaram Brahmanti, Sannyasi, Swagatam, it means he speak with his mind only. Sharvatha Suyogya, Ayam Dovarikah, then it is okay. You are guard. Punaha Ivam Parikshintu Prayatishyate. I shall again try to test this man. Actually, he was satisfied with his duty, and then in his mind a thought came that I should re-exam this person again. So he said to in his mind that I want to take exam again with this person. Dovarikah atra agacha. Guard, come here. Kimapi kathayitum ichhami. What would you like? Which kind of things do you want? द्वारिकः अपसृत्य कथयतु भवान्. Listen, after listening them, he said, sannyasi, त्वं तु द्वारिकः असि, you are only guide. कदापि धनिकः न भविष्यसि, you can never become rich. You will not become rich in your future because you are a very ordinary person, you are a guide. वनेषु कंदरासु च वयं विचरामः. We are wandering into vaneshu, it means forest, kandarasu, it means valley. Ch vayam vicharama, we wander onto forest and valley area. Sarva rasayam tattvam janinamah. We know about all chemistry, we know about all the things that are very valuable, that are very good things. Dvarikah bhavatu nama, good. Agre, go ahead, it means tell me what you want to tell me. Sannyasi, yadi mama pravesham tvam na avrodhayasi trahi tubhyam yatheshtam rasayanam dasyami. If you have no problem to that I go inside, then tvam avrodhayasi trahi tubhyam yatheshta rasayanam dasyami. Then I will give you some valuable things, the alchemy. If you not stop me to enter the gate, then I will give you the richest alchemy to you. Tena panchashat tula parimitam tamram suvarna bhavishyanti. Then above that alchemy, I will give you 55 copper that will turn into gold in future. I will give you 55 coin of copper that will turn into gold in future. If you not stop me to enter the gate, then I will give you alchemy, and then also I will give you 55 copper coin that will turn into gold in future. Aha. Kapatina Vishwasghatam. Dwarika was very angry at that time and he said that, oh, kapat, cunning person, you betrayed me. Upadeshasi, advising me, you told me, you advising me to betray my master? No. Na vayam tradasha, I am not like that. Kathaya kahatvam, what would you say? Kutaha agachasi, from where you come? Who are you? From where you come? Aham tvam kasya chitam guptachare manya. I think you are some spy, jasus. Durga adhyaksham nivedyam tvam dandayashyami. King gave you some punishment. Shatvam vignaya yathochitam karishyanti. I take you there, he would do something with you. Sannyasi, परित्यज्य, leave me. Naham punah agamishyami. I will not come again. Naivam punah kathishyami. And also not talk like that again. Dvarikah tata viganyam tam hastena gruhitva nayati. Then he take his hand and leave him, to drag him at that time. Come with me. Sannyasi. Prabala prakash deepasya samipe. Then they go to the lighting area. It was dark at there, but then after they go into the lighting area, Dvarika api janasi mama. And then the guard saw him. Dvarika nipunam nirikshaya. Then looking after very carefully, Aye Arya Khalu Bhavana. Oh, you are my master. Aryam Kshanantum Aharti Mamam. Please forgive me. Actually, he was king's person. King sent him to take him exam, and that's why he said that you are my master. Please forgive me. I cannot recognize you. sannyasi. Tasya pushte hastena vinashya. Then take his hand from there. Dwarika mayate pariksha kruta. I take your exam guard. Tvam yogya sthane niyuktah. You are in good place. You are in proper place. Utkochaya alolupa tvadrashaha prabhunam puraskara bhajanam bhavanti. I will give you some reward for your work, for your honest work. Aham tvam pramaniktam prabhu sandhi kathishyase. I will give you some reward for your honesty, for your good work. Kutra vartate Shriman? Where are you? Kim anusthanti samprabhati shaha. Please follow me and accept your reward. So it is a lesson of taught us actually, not you, taught us the honesty in this very corruptive world. Because we are living in corruptive world, you know that we can see everywhere there is corruption, and though in this corruption world there is honesty, we should be honest like the guard, a guard who was very honest person, who was very good person. Honesty comes from the heart, that he proved it. Now we go ahead about our next lesson in next video. Till then, have a nice day.